Hey guys! So I know I'm really over enthusiastic. I know I haven't vlogged in a really long time, but I just felt like doing that today. It's a very spontaneous decision. It's a Sunday, so I don't really actually have anything I have to do, but I thought I'd try to have like a really productive day, and I always like to watch these Be Productive with Me videos, and I thought I'm a fairly organized person, so maybe I can do one with you. So that's what we're doing today, and I don't actually have anything planned yet, so we're gonna go through this all together and we're just gonna see where the day will take us. For now, my plan is to go for a walk. I'm wearing this really comfy, you can't see, really comfy shorts that are really comfortable though. They don't look very good, but it's okay. We're gonna roll with everything. I'm also really tired, my hair looks terrible, but it's okay, it's a Sunday, we can do this. So yeah, we're gonna go for a walk now, because I need some fresh air, I need to wake up, and yeah, that's the plan, so let's go! So childish right now. I don't actually know if you can see me, but it's a lot of fun. But we're actually gonna go for a walk now, and I hope it doesn't start raining because it doesn't look so good, and I don't have anything for me or for the camera. So let's see, let's go. So difficult to vlog with like this huge camera, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go home now because it kind of feels like it might start raining. Probably shouldn't be vlogging and walking at the same time, but yeah, I think I feel pretty awake. I feel really good. I've done some stupid stuff, but that's okay. And yeah, now we're gonna go, and I'm gonna stop vlogging because otherwise I'm gonna fall on my face. I know the lighting's terrible, but before you see me writing all these things, I just want to quickly explain you my calendar system because it's a bit confusing. So I have three kind of things. This is like my bullet journal, so I play out like my work, like my workouts, my food, and my to-do, and like those are like the to-dos that I know I have to do this week. Like if I'm going home, I have to pack up or I have to clean, something like that. Then I have this, which is like a really fat calendar that I use for uni, and just has like my schedule in it, and any kind of event usually goes in there. And then I have this small calendar, and I got that from one of my best friends, and pretty much it just like has challenges in it every week. So wait, let me show you. Here it has like a challenge, which this week is to meditate 10 minutes every day. I haven't done it every day, but I'm trying. And then here I have like a to-do list. Can you focus please, camera? Hello? Okay, no. Well, anyway, I have much to do, so this is sort of what I use every morning. I sit down and I copy the to-dos from my bullet journal, I see what I have to do from uni, and then I sort of write down and then check how much time I have, if I can add something like study or something like that. And yeah, I haven't been too consistent. You can tell by this week it's not been there every day. This side I usually just leave empty, I don't really need it. But yeah, so I'm gonna start by planning the stuff in my bullet journal, and then we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna actually get started with work. So, the plan right now is to have a little dance party because I'm getting really tired and I need to just wake up a little bit and then change and pack my stuff, and then I'm gonna go to a cafe somewhere and continue working there because I'm getting a bit tired of this apartment. So yeah, let's dance!
Don't be afraid, I'll be the one to guide you through this endless maze. Don't look so sad, if you're crying eyes won't dry. You gotta drive with both headlights so we can see the world and we'll run away together like let's go.
So I'm back home now. As you can see, I'm in my comfy clothes again and I have these really terrible braids. Yeah, but that's probably it. I'm gonna edit this video now and see how far I can get. Maybe do some more stuff for uni, or maybe probably just watch a movie. And yeah, I've done everything on my to-do list today, so I'm pretty happy. And yeah, I kind of like doing these videos. Maybe I'll do something like this again soon. We'll see. Maybe you can tell me if you like it. You can like and subscribe, and yeah. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!